In order to determine the coefficient of limiting friction, we shall need to determine the weight of this wooden block too. So we shall hang this wooden block on the spring balance, and we shall take the weight of the wooden block. The weight of the wooden block taken from the Newton side of the scale is 1.80 newtons. Now, we have taken two readings of weight. We have the weight of the total weight of the scale pan plus the stones that were able to cause the wooden block to slide, which we said is equal to the limiting frictional force between the wooden block and the surface. We also have the weight of the wooden block. Now, we can use these two to determine the coefficient of limiting friction between the wooden block and the plane surface. The coefficient of limiting frictional force is the ratio of the limiting frictional force and the weight of the wooden block. So we are going to take the limiting frictional force that we obtained, which is 0.75 newtons, and we divide that by the weight of the wooden block, which is 1.80 newtons. So this gives us a value. If you check on your calculator, it will give us 0.417. Hence, we can conclude that the coefficient of limiting friction between this wooden block, this surface of the wooden block, and this horizontal surface is 0.417.